Hi, my name is Andrés Pimentel. How's it going? Welcome to episode 2, in the first week of building a cabin in the woods. This is an ongoing series and it should be exciting to see how this goes. I'd like to start by thanking my dad for helping me financially, physically, and for showing up early even on the days when I did not. I'd also like to thank my mom and brother for the encouragement and financial support. Welcome to day 1. Every day, we'd have to make a 30-minute hike up the mountain, carrying tools and more. Occasionally we'd take a taxi, but usually we'd hike. Thanks to Master Builder Juan for helping us with expertise, strength, and patience. Day 1 was getting the main support beams in place. 4 of them, 2 giant upside-down V's, A's for the A-frame.
Come and tell me what you need to know. We can stalk it and make it grow. Come and ask me what you want to know, and we can go from here. Oh, it just keeps turning, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need, what it is you bleed for. Longing in your name, deeply burning for you. Are you staying with me? Help me feel it. Slow down, let our minds go quiet now.
Shout out to the neighbors who also helped us.
Let our hands do the talking, hands do the talking now. Do you see how this fire grows rapid, and nobody knows how it started or where it will go? I can't stop now, baby, no. Our world just keeps turning, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need. Bleed for longing in your name.
Day 2 was just my dad and I, and we cut down more trees for the walls. Yes.
So you came here 'cause you wanna be a star. Rolling into town in your daddy old car. Cruising down the street like a rolling stone. Pretty little boy far away from home. Diamonds on the beach.
Third day, second day of having structure, and I'll admit, it's past noon and I am not really feeling it today, but gotta keep going, gotta beat the rain, which is coming before long, and I don't want my house to get wet. Let's go back up and start working on the walls and everything else that needs to be done. On day 3, the plan was to add cement to the base of the support beams.
Such a short time being alive. All this hardship and convenience makes it so hard to make sense. I want this now. I want this now. And I know it's just a matter of time before we tumble across the borderline. We can't go forward and we can't go
Fine, though.
back. I want this now.
No.
Just close your eyes. I can't believe we've been through this for so long. Pressure's on. You better step up. Probably stop right in the stupid song.
No,
Just close
está en
your
5 minutos 46 segundos.
Such a short time being alive.
Day 4 was getting the first side of the wall/roof. I call it wall/roof because it's kind of tilted down. It serves both purposes. Anyway, day 4 was getting the first side of the support beams done, which was kind of tricky. Day 5 was the other side. My dad was in town buying supplies, so it was just Juan and I. And we struggled, but we managed in the end. When we started this project, the idea was to make a temporary shelter, essentially a fort. The house quickly evolved into more than I'd ever imagined. This build was pretty difficult. I'm not used to doing so much exercise. I don't really hike or work out. I want to thank my dad for helping with filming, and this was a really exciting experience. I know I'm really lucky to be able to live off the grid, to have parents that encourage it, to have family land, to have water, and the resources to do this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any episodes. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.